My name is Edward. I'm 33 this year and I'm a medical doctor. And I live here with my partner, Joelle. We were looking for a central location and we found this apartment in a quiet neighborhood in Novena. We wanted a theme that would be timeless and classic, that didn't fit into a distinct or discrete category, and that in and of itself would be unique. The green wall is the first wall you see when you enter, and it centers your attention towards a central focal point. We feel it acts as an anchor for this very large space. The floating shelves were technically challenging to create, but it was important to make a physical distinction to separate the living room and dining room. The study is important to us and we wanted to keep it open as with the rest of the concept of the house, but we also wanted to keep it distinct by elevating it on the platform. The dining table is the centerpiece of the home. It is a live-edge mango wood table that's large enough to accommodate our friends when they come over for meals as well as board games. The textured wall is a focal point of the bedroom, and we wanted to keep the bedroom minimal and relaxing. We feel the textured wall adds character to the room's simplicity. The wardrobe is meant as an extension of the bedroom as well as a functional space for storage. Overall, we're very happy with the renovation and we're very proud to be part of this unique community here in Novena.